Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial that shows you how to buy Bitcoin straight into your Sparrow wallet. We're going to start at getbittr.com. We click on Buy Bitcoin. At first, I have to enter my email address, so I'm doing that right now. Once that's done, I head over to my inbox, open the mail from Bittr, and click on the link to confirm it. Now I have to type in the IBAN that I want to use to buy Bitcoin. I'm pasting it here and I'm going to the next step. Now the website is asking me which wallet I'm using. I click on Other Wallet. Here I see the message that I have to sign, so I copy it and switch over to Sparrow Wallet. In Sparrow, I have to click on Addresses on the left side. Sparrow now shows me a bunch of addresses. I'm just going to go with the first receiving address. If you hover over the address, this small pen icon appears. Click it to get to the message signing. Here you paste the message you copied from the Bittr website. After that, you click on Sign. Sparrow now shows you the signature below. We're going to copy the Bitcoin address and paste it on the Bittr website. Then we do the same with our signature. I click on Verify, and now I'm being asked if I want to use an XPUB or a single address. If you want to use a single address, just click there to finish your setup. To use the XPUB, click on Use Extended Public Key. Go back to Sparrow and open the settings where you can copy your XPUB. Go back to the website and paste it. Confirm it and you get forwarded to the last page that shows all the details you need to know for your bank transfer. You can copy the IBAN and the payment description by just clicking on them. Please only send money with your personal payment description. It's linked to your Bitcoin address and you can use it as often as you want to. Let's do a bank transfer to complete this setup. Go to your banking app and enter the name, IBAN, and the amount you want to convert into Bitcoin. If you like to start a Bitcoin savings plan, you can set up a recurring bank transfer. I'm choosing a monthly transfer, so I only need to set it up once, and after I don't have to worry about it anymore. Add your personal payment description as a reference. When you did your bank transfer, switch back to your email inbox. You will soon receive a confirmation email from Bittr that lets you know that your Bitcoin purchase is complete and that Bitcoin has been sent to your wallet. In the email, you also find all the important details like the Bitcoin amount that you received and the exchange rate that was used for your purchase. And that's all you need to do to buy Bitcoin directly into your Sparrow wallet. Have fun stacking sats.